The first thing that catches your eye about this model is its delicate yet powerful color palette. The entire upper is based on the natural-looking hemp color, expressing the calmness and warmth that only earth colors can provide. A light tone of oatmeal spreads from the side to the heel, creating a design that gives a sense of spatial depth. The midsole is finished in a soft coconut milk white, which gives the overall color scheme a natural yet clean feel. The deep off-white colo, with the Dongdan emblem on the left foot and Luka's logo on the right, the asymmetrical logos on the tongues represent the combination of the special edition and the signature model. Additionally, there are drawings on the insole that provide character and attention to detail. It is a pair of shoes with a gentle exterior and a strong core within thanks to the deep green lining, which has a taste evocative of military. An homage to the Dongdan Summer League, which lights up Chinese streets in the middle of summer, inspired the design of this model.